have a really fun craft today. And all you need is some popsicle sticks, a paper plate, and I've got some pom-pom balls and some pipe cleaners and some construction paper and wiggly eyes. That's all we have. That's all we need to use the craft, to make the craft today. All right, so I have a reindeer and I have a Santa, and they're kind of like puppets when you put them on the sticks. So I used I cut a half of a paper plate out for Santa's beard, and the back of it is just a red triangle. And I have a white pom-pom up here, and then I have a red one on his nose, and I colored in there for his face, and I put some wiggly eyes on him. So there's my Santa Claus, and I have a reindeer here, and I just used some brown construction paper. I cut out a triangle, and then I cut out some ears, and I have his little, it's Rudolph. You see he's got a red nose. It's Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. And then I got some wiggle eyes, and then I have some brown pipe cleaners right there for his antlers. And you could have a little puppet show with Santa Claus and the reindeer. How cute and fun would that be? All right.